In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view phone contact numbers using Gmail. This is a quick and easy process that you can do in just a few minutes, and it's especially handy if you want to access your contacts without needing your phone. Let's get started. First, what you need to do is open your favorite web browser and head over to Gmail. You can do this by typing in gmail.com in the address bar or clicking on a Gmail bookmark if you have one. Once you're on the Gmail page, sign in using your Google account if you're not already logged in. Alright, now that you're in your Gmail account, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a small grid icon next to your profile picture. This icon is often referred to as the Google Apps icon. Click on it. This will display a drop-down menu showing various Google services. Now from the displayed apps, you'll want to look for the contacts icon. It might be a bit tricky to spot at first because there are many icons, but it's usually a blue icon with a silhouette inside a circle. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to Google's contacts page, where all your contact details are stored online. You've made it this far and you're almost at your destination. On the Google Contacts page, you will see a list of all your contacts. This list includes the names, email addresses, and yes, the phone numbers you're looking for. If you've saved numbers to your Google Contacts in the past, they should appear here. You can even search for specific contacts using the search bar at the top. And there you have it, folks. In just a few simple steps, you've accessed your phone contact numbers using Gmail. By storing your contacts in Google, you can ensure that they're always backed up and accessible, not just on your phone, but from any device with internet access. A quick tip while you're here: if you ever need to update contact details or add new contacts, you can easily do that directly on this page. Any changes made here will be automatically synced to your phone and other devices you're signed into. Remember, keeping your contacts synced and backed up is a simple but crucial part of staying organized and connected, so it's great that you're taking advantage of this Google feature. Thanks for watching and happy contacting.